What's up, you guys?
Treat your boss.
I'm Sonia.
I'm Dakota.
And we're Staples in 10. We are partnering with the Atlanta HBCU Alliance for this year's virtual 5K. This is the 14th annual, and we're doing it a little different this year since it's virtual. We want you guys to get out, find your tribe, and go somewhere beautiful and scenic
5K.
And get into nature and do your 5K.
So go on, register, call up your people, say, yo, we're gonna be here at this time. We've even made some recommendations as far as like the different trails that you can check out in the metro Atlanta area. Check out some of them. You might find one that's closer to your house than you think, and you can have a wonderful experience.
Today we're at Cascade Springs. We're gonna show you this trail. We have our tribe, they're coming, and we're gonna show you this beautiful trail. If you don't know, Cascade Springs is right in the middle of Atlanta, right off of 285 and Cascade Road. For your 5K, make sure you find your tribe and get out here and get it in.
Find your tribe. Keep it intense. Staples intense. Ooh, yo, just got back in. We found our tribe. We all went, tried out this Cascade Trail. I'm telling you, it is something phenomenal. There's something special about walking on it. Some of the things that you see, the kind of healing aspects, the beating of the drums, we saw that. We went to the other side. We found a little beach by the river. We were able to skip some rocks. Zuri did her thing. We were able to make some connections to really understand what it meant to heal, what it meant to be connected to nature, what it meant to be planted into the ground. So we found our tribe. Did you enjoy yourself?
I did enjoy myself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tour of Cascade Springs. And I got an idea of what your 5K can look like. So make sure you stay tuned to next week's video where we're gonna take you on a tour of another trail and another tribe.
Whoa, whose tribe we finding next? Keep it intense, y'all.
Keep it intense.